Special Bird Service is bigger than birding. We are dedicated to making nature more accessible, inclusive, and equitable for marginalized communities. During COVID, our community was very clear. They were looking for space to congregate, meet, and exist outdoors. So we addressed that need by providing space for education, recreation, and habitat restoration opportunities across the Salish Coast. We recognize that time in the outdoors is more than just recreation. It's a proven pathway to improve mental health. We do everything from mindfulness to bird watching, hikes, snowshoeing, intro to camping events, canoe events. Today we're here for the Tranquil Trails hike and mindfulness event. We're going on a bit of an intermediate hike up the Mount Work summit here on the traditional territory of the Saanich people and the Lekwungen speaking peoples, which are the Esquimalt and Songhees First Nations. Post-hike, we're going to be doing a bit of observation journaling, forest bathing, and a bit of a mindfulness exercise, spending some time outdoors in silence. Arc'teryx and Special Bird Service are in partnership through the No Wasted Days grant program. Through our partnership, we're able to provide opportunities to inspire, educate, and connect. This event is a testament to the power of collaboration. In the past year alone, Special Bird Service has hosted over 34 events with 1,500 attendees. These numbers showcase the need to equitable access to the outdoors. We're really excited to be providing it for the community. Through getting involved with Special Bird Service, you too can help create equitable, accessible opportunities in the outdoors for previously marginalized communities. So follow along with us, join us on social media, and join us for events out on the land. Consider donating or supporting, and please subscribe to our email newsletter.